This week in your weekly upgrade, we change our format for your iPhone pics, we check on your checklists in the VLE, and we timecode your ease of use for all your YouTube videos. I'm Jordan R., and this is your weekly upgrade. Ever find yourself attempting to upload the perfect pic for your doc or slideshow and it's conveniently nowhere to be seen? Are you using an iPhone? No, you're not seeing things or even going a little crazy. It's because you may need to change the settings on your iPhone. Because Apple loves having high quality photos so you can take those perfect pictures, they use a format called HEIC, or High Efficiency Image Container, over the regular JPEG format. Well, you can adjust them so they are usable in your Google Drive with a few simple steps. Just go to your settings on your iPhone and scroll down till you see the camera app. Just select Formats and choose Most Compatible. Now any photos you take from here on out are workable in all your Google apps. If you had photos before that are HEIC and you'd like a quick way to convert them, just pull it up on your camera and screenshot it with a new format. Older iPhones would use the lock button plus the home button, and for newer iPhones, to screenshot it would be the lock button plus the volume up button.
Easy peasy lemon squeezy.
Here is a wonderful way to keep your students organized, because let's be honest, they just ain't. Well, maybe that one. Well, the VLE makes it easy to create your own checklist to aid your students in making sure they complete their work. First, select the checklist icon and select New Checklist. Just name your checklist, but make sure to select Open this checklist in a new window. Then select Save. You'll need to have some categories in order to add items to your checklist. New categories for elementary could include something like different subjects, and for secondary, a new category could be a topic in your course. Select New Category and add a name in there. If you have more than one category, select Save and New. And if not, then just select Save. Now you can add items. Select New Item, but make sure you're in the right category and give it a name for what you'd like the students to check off. It's key to put in the description here for items so the students know what it is that you're referencing. You can add in a due date and as well choose to display this in the calendar. Just select Save when you're done. If you'd like to preview your checklist, just select the chevron and select Preview to see what the students would see. Now choose Save and Close and it's ready to be accessed. The students may wish to use the checklist icon at the top to access your newly created checklist, or you could create a post in the activity feed with the checklist right in there. Done like dinner.
That sounds good. I'll have that.
Also, don't forget to sign up for a Lunch and Learn regarding awards and badges happening on December 8th from 11:30 to 12:30. Link to sign up will be in the description below. When you lovely educators are uploading videos to YouTube, wouldn't it be ideal when the videos are maybe a little long, but you want to highlight specific key points without having to add in all the links in the description or making someone watch the entire thing? Well, YouTube makes it easy to timecode. Just go to your YouTube channel and select Manage Videos. Then select the Edit button on the video you'd like to timecode. First select the Play button so you can see your video in another tab, then scroll to find the right timing and go back to the Editing tab and put in that time. So for instance, like this section, I will add 0:25 and then select Save. Now select View on YouTube, go to your description, and YouTube has now hyperlinked it to the timing you entered. Pretty awesome, isn't it? We've added this item to all of Season 2 of your weekly upgrade to easily navigate to any of the 3 topics. So now you don't have to watch me for the full 5 minutes anymore. Well, that's it for today's weekly upgrade for this year. Be sure to check back with us in January of 2022. Take a deep breath, remember how awesome you are, and get ready to enjoy your much-deserved upcoming winter break. But please, as usual, like, subscribe, and most importantly, have yourself a remarkable holiday season.
It's the holidays.